The biggest mistake that I see women in their 40s making is thinking that they can work out in the same way that they did in their 20s. Hello gorgeous girl, welcome back to my channel, and today's 5-minute workout is one that is going to help you keep happy and healthy hormones. So if you're anything like me, you are concerned with aging, right? It's a fact of life, but it's something that's going to happen. And it's really important that we recognize that the way that we were able to work out in our 20s and even our 30s is not what's going to work for us to create the best results as you move into your 40s, your 50s, your 60s, and beyond. So this is a Tabata style sequence. It's about a 5-minute sequence that I pulled from my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. And what I love about working in this Tabata styles is that it really helps your hormones stay in balance. You're going to be doing 20-second intervals of some intense work, and then you have a 10-second break. And that's really important because recovery is essential. And a Tabata style workout has a little bit of that recovery built right in. And so all of my ladies inside Total Body Transformation love these kinds of workouts, and I know that you will too. So grab your sneakers, don't worry about the timer because I've got you covered, and I will see you on the other side. We're gonna do Isn't that so fun? I mean, these kinds of workouts, I told you, they go by really, really fast, and that's why all my ladies inside of TBT just love them so much, and I love them too. So if you're curious about what TBT is, definitely check out the link down below here in the description box. It'll give you all the details, and we'd love to have you as a part of our community. So if you want to keep feeling good and you'd like to work out a little bit more with me, check out this video, which is a 5-minute arm workout for ladies over 40. I know you'll love it, and I will see you over there.